Interstate four-wheel drive with the E1 package.
Beautiful. I can't wait to jump into this one.
Now this is an Interstate 24 GL with the modern black with the modern grayish interior. The modern grayish interior is our #1 seller. These seats will rotate.
And so both of them come around and you've got a table you can stick in between them, right?
That is absolutely correct. The same on the Atlas. What you have here is this is your standard 3500 Sprinter chassis configuration. You have lane assist, ESP. You also have adaptive cruise control. You have 1,000,000 ways you can move the seats around. It's the same seat configuration as in a Mercedes 300 or 500. You have two separate stereos. You have a separate stereo up here, and you have a dashboard stereo. Dashboard stereo is for while you're driving down the road, and this is your cabin stereo. This way you can listen to the radio and your television without having to be draining the chassis batteries. What we have here is we have our flip down television. Boom, that's your home. This is your temperature control. These are your day and night shades, so we're going to go ahead and bring those up. Opening up the whole coach. Now, this one has a little bit of a different setup. It has the induction cooktop because it has the E1 package, and it uses the induction cooktop. Back here, this is where you have the bed. You have seating for 5 in there. You also have storage that runs the entire perimeter of the body of the coach. This is also where it becomes your bed. Also, interesting feature of the back screen, the back panel shade doubles as a projector screen. On the back side, it's white. You have your full service bathroom. It's an all-in-one efficiency wet bath.
Made to kind of just squeegee the whole thing right down after you take a shower, right?
Absolutely, really easy. With the E1 package, you no longer have the generator or the propane, so your heating system is a 100% diesel, no propane system.
What turns out to be about my $20,000 question to you is, Sal, so with the E1 package, let's talk about what all is included in that and what I should be able to do a little bit differently.
See, we all know, we've all been in the campground in the middle of the night and someone kicks on their generator and you get that low hum. With the E1 package, you don't get any of that disturbance whatsoever.
Because there's no generator on this unit.
There is no generator on this unit. So as long as you have diesel in the tank, you have heat.
Yep, and hot water.
And hot water.
And then you put a 51 amp alternator in addition to the alternator that comes with the Mercedes. And that's what's recharging these 12,000 hour watt batteries, right? That's in place basically of your generator.
That's correct. That's 100%. No matter what you're doing, you're charging the battery at all times. You have your solar panels on the roof, that's taking charge in. If you're driving down the road, that's taking charge in. If you're plugged in on shore power, that's taking charge in.
Let's take a walk around the outside of this and point out some of the key features that are on this.
Power doors. 1 single touch doors. That makes it significantly easier. The step will go in when we're ready to move. Both the Atlas and the Interstate is going to have stabilizer jacks, leveling jacks, and they're both going to have air ride. So you can adjust your ride as you're going down the road. Out here, you have your 110 power. Next to your daisy chain, you can add additional ground-based solar.
Yeah, and you've got one of those on each side, which I found really unique. So if you wanted to put more power back into the unit, you could actually bring little foldable solar panels and set them
Absolutely.
outside.
You can daisy chain up to 6. So 600-watt panels.
Nice.
Now as you come to the back, there's the projector screen that I was explaining to you. This will drop all the way down here.
Yeah, that is very smart.
And you can actually use it as a projector TV. This is your storage back here. You have your backup camera. You have your rear sensors.
And that camera is on all the time. Is that
All the time.
Because you have a dedicated viewer where your rearview mirror would be.
Where your regular rearview mirror would be.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, backing this thing up and driving it is the easiest RV I've ever backed up in my life. It's literally, you watch the screen, you draw the lines where you want it to go, and that's right where it goes.
Yeah.
Again, over here, you have the smart plug. You also have your starboard side
solar panel
connector. This is going to be your water. This is your water over here. This is your connection
outdoor
for your outdoor shower.
Yeah.
This is your driver's side. And there's your fuel. You can see that the cockpit is just like any standard Mercedes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Interesting about the Airstream Interstate 4-wheel drive is it is a true 4-wheel drive. It's not an all-wheel drive. It is a push-button, locked-in 4-wheel drive.